If your goal is to have a lawn like this, you clicked on the right video. This is the first video in a series where I show what it takes to transform a typical lawn into a golf course lawn. It should be pretty epic. Hey YouTube, welcome to Project Golf Course Lawns Season 5. So I got something different for you guys. You know, it's really easy to show a lawn that's already been through many years of treatment, had tons of products applied to it. But what does it take to take a lawn that most of you probably have and transform it into something like that? Well, that's what we're going to answer. So this is the first video in a series where over the course of this season, I'm going to work with my buddy Alex here.
Hey, what's up, guys?
On changing his lawn, which is the lawn, again, it's probably similar to like what most people have, and we're going to turn it into a golf course lawn. So let's survey this situation. So you can see Alex's lawn is actually not terrible. I mean, we do have some weeds that we're going to have to deal with, and you know, the plan is probably to do some top dressing at some point, but overall this lawn probably reflects like the lawn like that most of you guys are dealing with. So I'll take you guys around to the other parts of the lawn. Lawn tour time. So you guys are familiar with this. You've all seen this before. This is the swale, the area between his lawn and my lawn. And, you know, no golf course lawn video would be complete without the vanity strip making an appearance, right? I mean, so vanity strip, show yourself off in all your glory to the viewers, looking pretty epic. But what's going to happen, guys, over the course of the season, this look is going to be carried all the way up here. So let's continue our tour. We got to survey the scene to see what we're working with that we're gonna change, right? So again, his front lawn is not really that bad. I mean, really with good top dress and you know, some herbicide to take care of these weeds and a pre-emergent, we'll be well on our way to improving the situation. So this is the front lawn area. You can see what his vanity strip looks like, and we'll take you around here to the front lawn. Again, his lawn's not looking bad. What I've done to his lawn so far as treatments, he's applied Milorganite so far this year, and I've also put down a liquid fertilizer, the same micronutrient, the brand Supreme Green. I applied that to his lawn, but outside of that, he hasn't had anything else yet done. So you can see, I mean, his green is actually looking pretty good, but it doesn't have that pool table, that golf course lawn look just yet, but we're going to fix that. Alex is mowing, and then once he's done with that, we're going to apply a herbicide / pre-emergent to his lawn. If you guys have seen my video on weed control, like the method that I like to use for weed control, you'll see I mentioned a product called Spectracide, which I'm a really big fan of. Remember, when it comes to weed control, our goal is to not have to rely on weed control as our primary method for controlling weeds in the lawn. The best way to control weeds in your lawn is to grow a healthy lawn and to simply have the grass outcompete the weeds for resources. So once Alex gets done mowing, that's what we're going to do. We're going to be applying Spectracide to the entire lawn, and what that's going to do is it's going to help stunt the growth of these weeds. It's going to allow us to get ahead of the weeds in the lawn, which is going to, you know, allow us to begin really cleaning things up. My plan then is to we're going to get a top dress done, and once we top dress it, we get it nice and smooth. Then it's just applying the same program that I use on my lawn to his lawn, and by the end of the season, it should be looking pretty awesome. You'll notice one thing in the background. You can hear and you can see Alex is mowing because he's already got the most important part of a golf course lawn, you know, and that's the mower. You gotta have a good mower, a good real mower. I mean, while doing everything else, having the herbicides is good, the exotic fertilizers, the plant growth regulators are all awesome. The mower is like 80% of achieving a turf that looks like that. I mean, like this is 85% of this is the mower. And Alex has already got that down, so we're good to go. So guys, I'll check back in here in a second. I'll show you guys us actually getting the spreader out, and you get to see us throw some herbicide down. See you in a few. Okay, YouTube, so this is the product that we're going to be applying on the lawn. It's from Spectracide. If you guys haven't seen my video on weed control, again, I've already mentioned it, but check the card. It talks all about applying this. So if you guys want to get in here, and I'll show you guys what this looks like. It's like a fine, really fine granular, almost kind of powdery. So really, you don't want to put this down on a really windy day because it can blow all over the place. So I'll put this in the spreader now, and again, And the setting on an earthway spreader is 11. I've already got that set. So we'll go ahead and add this to it. You can see what this looks like. It's a very, 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 very fine powder, you know? So what this is gonna do is it's going to allow us to get rid of, you know, we're gonna arrest the growth of weeds, hopefully kill off a lot of the ones we have in the lawn. And then also let the pre-emergent prevent new weeds from forming. And then really, ultimately, you want to get to the point where you're using one of these guys. This is what I use to weed my lawn. If you've not seen these before, they're really, really easy to use. You can get them on Amazon for not that much, but we'll use an example of how this works. Literally, once you have the lawn established and we're not growing new stuff, the way we're going to get rid of the weeds is just to simply, we'll just use this guy as an example. Usually take the fork, put it at the base, and then press down, and then pry up. So you can see how that works. It gets rid of the weed without doing too much damage to the turf. You're getting the roots out and everything else. So this is eventually what we want to graduate to. We're just going to use the Spectracide to kind of get the lawn under control, but then we're going to move to this. So I think we're about ready, guys. Let's get going. Well, there you go, guys. The Spectracide is applied to the entire lawn. Alex did an awesome job, I think. You know, give a like for Alex. Definitely make sure you do that. You know, once this lawn is top dressed, his stripe action is going to be on point, because if you guys notice, he was straight up and down with those passes. So good on Alex. One thing to point out, you'll notice that the spreader is now covered in all that fertilizer dust. The one thing you're going to want to make sure is rinse that off. So if you guys are doing this, if you guys are putting herbicides down, make sure you clean up your equipment when you're done. And you can also see Alex, he's also covered in fertilizer dust as well too. So again, consider, like, you know, once you're done doing this kind of stuff, you know, take a shower, wash the clothes, ideally not with anything else, just to be safe. You want to be safe. You want to keep this stuff off your body as much as possible. So guys, this is video 1 in the series. You know, as we continue to develop the lawn, I'll be sure to document it. Eventually, once his plans are to get sprinklers installed, and then we're going to be top dressing the lawn this year, and I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. So you guys are going to see what it takes to turn a lawn from this, which is, again, kind of typical of what most people have, to that. It's going to be an awesome journey. Hope you guys subscribe. If you like this content, definitely let me know. If you want to see more of it, let me know in the comments. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.